In today's fast-paced digital world, marketers are constantly on the lookout for new platforms and strategies to engage with their target audience. One such platform that has taken the marketing world by storm is TikTok. With over 2 billion downloads worldwide, this short-form video app has become a game-changer for marketers looking to connect with younger audiences in an authentic and creative way. So, why exactly is TikTok such a powerful tool for marketers? And how can you leverage it to boost your brand's visibility and engagement? Let's dive in. Unprecedented reach. TikTok boasts an impressive user base of more than 800 million active users globally. This means that as a marketer, you have access to an enormous pool of potential customers who are actively engaging with content on the platform every day. By tapping into this vast audience, you can increase your brand reach like never before. Authenticity reigns supreme. One of the key reasons why TikTok stands out from other social media platforms is its emphasis on authenticity. Unlike Instagram or Facebook, where users often curate their content meticulously, TikTok encourages users to be themselves and showcase their true personalities through fun and creative videos. As a marketer, this presents an incredible opportunity to connect with your audience on a deeper level by showcasing the human side of your brand. By creating genuine and relatable content that resonates with your target demographic, you can build trust and foster long-lasting relationships. Viral potential. TikTok thrives on viral trends and challenges that spread like wildfire across the platform. From dance routines to comedy skits, these trends capture the attention of millions of users within hours or even minutes. By participating in these trends or creating your own unique challenges related to your brand or industry, you can tap into this viral potential and generate massive exposure for your business. Just remember to keep your content authentic, entertaining, and aligned with your brand values. Enhanced creativity. TikTok offers a wide range of creative tools and features that allow users to produce high-quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or professional editing skills. From filters and effects to music overlays and text captions, the platform provides endless possibilities for marketers to showcase their creativity. By leveraging these tools effectively, you can create visually captivating content that grabs attention and stands out from the crowd. Whether it's through storytelling, humor, or engaging visuals, let your creativity shine on TikTok. Influencer marketing opportunities. Influencer marketing has become an integral part of many brands' marketing strategies in recent years. With TikTok's rise in popularity, a new breed of influencers has emerged, TikTokers who have amassed millions of followers eager to engage with their content. Partnering with relevant influencers on TikTok can expose your brand to their highly engaged audience while leveraging their authenticity and influence. By collaborating with these influencers on sponsored posts or challenges related to your brand niche, you can tap into their reach and credibility to drive awareness and conversions. Targeted advertising options. While organic reach is powerful on TikTok, the platform also offers targeted advertising options for brands looking for more control over their campaign's reach and visibility. With features like custom audiences that allow you to target specific demographics based on age, location, interests, etc., you can ensure that your ads are seen by the most relevant audience segments. This level of targeting helps maximize ROI by reaching those who are most likely interested in what you have to offer. In conclusion, TikTok has revolutionized the way marketers connect with audiences by providing a unique blend of authenticity, creativity, and viral potential. By embracing this platform as part of your marketing strategy today, you open up doors not only for increased brand visibility but also for building meaningful relationships with your target audience. Don't miss out on the opportunity to leverage TikTok's game-changing potential. Start exploring this platform and unleash your creativity today.